Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo yomfundi kaGrade 10 wesikole samabanga aphakeme iFerndale High izobanjwa ngoLwesihlanu. UKelebogile Molopyane oneminyaka elishumi nesithupha uwile washona esikoleni kulandela ukuhlaslewa yisifo sokuwa.
UKelebogile Molopyane ushone ngemva kokuwa kule ndawo esigamekweni esiqoshwe amakhamera iCCTV. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza leSufi uvakashele lesikole namhlanje.
On the basis of changing of periods, they leave the classroom per rows, and then he was on the second row, and then when he left, when the teacher was concentrating on the third row, the teacher heard screams from learners, and the principal was also around. They knew those screams were not ordinary screams of learners.
uLesufi uthi akukho bekungenziwa isikole ukuvimba lesi sehlo.
You never anticipate that someone will jump, you know. I mean, there is a CCTV that I refused even to watch it, that the school have, that serves as evidence of exactly what happened.
Ngenyanga edlule umnyango waqala uphenyo mayelana nokushona komfundi waseParktown Boys uEnoch Mpianzi kanye nomfundi waseLar School Becker uKiamohetsu Iseboko uthi uzokhipha umbiko ophelele maduze.
I suspect before the end of February we will have finalized all those reports.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa uLesufi avakashele umndeni kaKelebogile Molopyane eGarankuwa eTshwane.